we always sleep the next day. For example, the time now is 5 a.m. Bro, I'm even yawning. But am I gonna sleep? No. It's always just Netflix, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, all those other apps, but not sleep or anything productive. It's just me, my bed, getting food or water, and going straight back to Netflix. And what's worse is I'm on a holiday. I might do this every day. I need to do something. But what am I going to do? So welcome to yet another boring day. Actually, there was a plot twist. My day was not so bad. And thanks to Tito, this tall guy that I'm working with. Yeah, that's Tito. So he came over because we had to go to the mall to get a package for Gucho worshippers. So had he not came, trust me, I was not gonna go anyway. I was probably gonna stay in my bed. Like I said, it's just always me and my bed and Netflix.
That we should be doing, not something we should be planning. Siya bakena. You know.
But okay, I want us to talk about something. But before we talk about that, look at this. Yo, bro, God is so creative. I'm sorry. I just love sunsets. God is so creative, man. Damn. But anyway, let's talk about content creation. I feel like we are inspired to create. We're inspired by a person, something, or whatever. But I know we're inspired. But now the problem comes when we have to be creative. I feel like most of the time, we are just so normal. And by normal, I mean we are okay with creating things that have already been created. We get so satisfied by only doing the basics. We think just because other people did something that way, we should do it to their extent or less than that. I mean, why can't we just go crazy? I mean, a creator is a creator because a creator is creative, and yet we still lack that one element that completes everything. So this is me just saying, let's not do things the way we did them. Let's not have normal. Let's create things in a different way. Let's go crazy, is what I mean. But except, mojo. So I broke my ring light, trying to make a scene. I was setting up my lighting, and then I broke my ring light. So right now I'm gonna sleep, and this is probably gonna be the end of the vlog, because what's a cinematic vlog without good lighting in Bamba? So yeah, otherwise, mojo, and I'll see you next time. I don't know when. Hopefully I buy a ring light very soon.